Hi everyone, today we're making wontons with shrimp filling. Start by preparing 500 grams of shrimp. Add a small spoon of baking soda and enough water to cover the shrimp. Use hands to gently mix, making sure all the shrimp are submerged in water. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you'll notice the shrimp look a bit more translucent and feel smoother to the touch. Rinse the shrimp thoroughly to remove the baking soda water. If you're sensitive to the soda taste, you can add a bit of white vinegar. Just gently mix with your hand. There's no need to let it sit. The vinegar will effectively neutralize any residual baking soda. Then rinse off the vinegar as well. After this treatment, the shrimp will have a smooth, springy texture without any trace of that soda taste. Next, prepare some chicken thigh meat and chicken skin. Shrimp is quite lean, so we're adding a bit of fat to the mix. Chicken skin is a bit harder to break, so start with that. Let it run for a little longer. Then add in the chicken thigh and about a quarter of the shrimp. For seasoning, use salt, white pepper, MSG, a little 13 spice powder, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil. Then finally a bit of cornstarch and egg white. Blend everything again. Add the rest of the shrimp at the end. If you're using small shrimp, just mix them in. If they're on the bigger side, give them a light pulse. The finished shrimp filling should look like this. Now take some store-bought wonton wrappers. With this method, there's no need to wet edges with water. Scoop in the filling. Use the back of the spoon to press the filling down. Then remove the spoon and close the top. This is probably the easiest way to fold wontons. Watch again. 3 steps. Scoop, press, close. The tops may look a little different each time, but the bottoms will always have a nice, plump mound of filling. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then drop the wontons in. Gently push them with a spoon to prevent sticking. While that cooks, prepare a soup bowl. Shrimp and chicken cook quickly. About 3 minutes is enough. First, ladle in some hot soup to dissolve the seasonings. Then add the wontons. Making wontons is super flexible. As long as the shrimp filling tastes good, you'll end up with a delicious bowl. Thanks for watching. See you next time.